Guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So I am here to do an unboxing of the Notiq planner cover. I recently purchased this on Black Friday. Notiq was having a sale, and the cover that I wanted, because I use the Happy Planner Classic planner, that's one of my go-to planners. I use it every year. I said, okay, I want to get a planner cover. So I seen At Home with Key to do a review on it, and planning and praying I will post the links to their channels down below. And I was like, you know what, let me invest in a good cover that I can use all year long. So this is what it is. And if you don't know about Notiq, I'll post their website down below. It is a black owned business, and I love how just the layout of her stuff is presented. This is a cute little notepad which I will be using, and then the mission behind the Notiq. So I'll go ahead and let you guys screenshot that if you want to. And the owner is Vivian, and she does such a great job with her stuff. Oh, she even gave you a personalized card. I will hope that. So this is something you definitely want to keep if you're a Notiq person. I will say I can definitely see myself buying more. She has so many other things in her line that I will probably definitely purchase, but this was like a splurge because I was not planning on doing it. So have anybody ever done that where you don't want to mess up the paper on the item? It's like you unwrap the gift cute. Yeah. So see, I want to unwrap it all cute like that. And the planner cover does come with a cover. So I know a lot of people, they have kept their paper, and I don't know what I would use this for, but I really do like the aesthetics of this and how she puts so much detail into this. So this is the planner in cover. It is velvet. I'm going to take this off because I know I'm going to want to keep this. And you know what? Another cute thing, if anybody's watching this, you can go ahead and do it just right here. So yeah, did that. Now this comes with a dust cover, which is very, very like, you're like, girl, it's a planner. Yes, but it comes with a dust cover, and it's personalized with the Notiq name right here for you guys to see. And let's go ahead and see. So I will post the color that I purchased down below, but this is a pink. Oh, you guys, can you guys check this out? Now, you guys, if you don't follow me, pinks, mauves, purples are my favorite. I just try to stay away from a lot of purple because that is my #1 favorite. You do get the Notiq emblem right here, and it's so perfectly covered. It has the button right here, and then you open it, and girl, it has the foam inside to keep it. This is going to be able to hold everything. This will be holding my classic planner, everything. I will get my planner to show you guys what it looks like. It has card inserts right here, so I could be able to put little decorations and things, be able to put extra paper in here. It does have the pin loop. It does have the pin loop right here, so I'll show you guys. And you could put like business cards and decorative things. I watch planner videos, and I'll watch how people set up their planners and with using the Notiq cover, just so I can get an idea. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card loop holder in here, and you also get 3 extra dividers right here and something big right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would put my planner in here along with the pin loop. All right, so this is my planner cover right here. If you guys are wondering, this is the Happy Planner Classic. I customize my cover. I get my covers off Stylish Planner site. And then this pen, I like specifically, if you're wondering, I go for the Pencil RSVP Fine Black 90 pen. So these are the pens that I like. It's just a simple classic pen. The pen loop cover, if you're wondering, I got it from the Happy Planner site. I am using the 18-month neutral planner from Happy Planner, and I'll give you guys more detail when I set up my 2021 Happy Planner, because it's pretty much a little bit set up. The rings, I always reuse any of my Happy Planner rings. These are a crossover of the solid Mickeys and the gold disc rings. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like, and I'm gonna slide this in here so we can make sure it fits. Ooh, be careful, because y'all know these Happy Planner rings. And it's going in. Okay. Yep. It fits perfectly in there. So I was able to slide it in some more. And now if we cover it, I'm also going to take the pin loop, put it in here for you guys to see. Perfect fit. I know people do have their preferences on pins. I don't know, but I like it. And look, once I snap it together, your girl has still enough room to put more stuff in there. So I still have a ton of room in there. I could literally put my Happy Planner Skinny in there if I wanted to, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. All right, so this is my Happy Planner Skinny. This cover is from At Home with Kita. It's just a home cover, and I pretty much, this is my 18-month skinny. So I'm gonna put this in here just to slide it in here and show you guys, because I don't want to overstuff it, but obviously I want to show you guys what it fits. So yeah, fits both my planners in there, my skinny and my classic. So if you definitely wanted to like bring both your planners like I would do sometime, I could actually keep this in here, and I really like it because it's cool. You can see the ring line right here, so I wouldn't overstuff it, but in general it does fit perfectly, and I do like that for the price. Now I will say definitely catch this on a sale, or if you want to definitely support, check them out. They have so many different colors with this, and I like that it has that Saffiano leather because you can easily clean it, and you guys know Saffiano leather is the best way to go. But yeah, that is it. I wanted to show you guys what this looks like and how it's gonna work. If you guys want to see me do a detailed setup video showing you guys my planner and everything and what I'm doing for 2021, I will let you guys. Please leave a comment, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.